as you can see.
It's in Colaba, a little bit south.
Which is like, yeah, towards the bottom of Mumbai, to be honest with you. So we're by the sea as well, so there's a nice breeze today, which is lovely. So this was built for George V, I believe, and was built so it was one of the first things you'd see as you got to India by sea. It looks a little bit like the Arc de Triomphe kind of marble arch.
Is that like the Arc de Triomphe?
Yeah, that too. Currently inside the world's biggest outdoor laundry, or the world's biggest laundry.
It's Dhobi Ghat.
Dhobi Ghat, and it is
in Colaba. So that's the little guy who's just giving us a tour around the whole place. Got some footage of it. It's tucked into the back places where you normally wouldn't be able to see.
Massive dryers and the ironing rooms. It's impressive.
So it's probably worthwhile getting hold of one of the guys who live here, probably a young kid, probably to appreciate the money a little bit more.
Yeah.
But I think they all do. Yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
And there are two Dhobi Ghats, one which you can go in, one which you can't. So just have a look around. The other one's quite bigger, I believe. But this is amazing, it's mind-blowing.
It's just crazy to see them hand washing the clothes, and apparently it's 40 rupees a garment.
That's washed, dried and ironed.
Pennies. It's about 40p.
Not expensive to me.
Hello guys. Dave.
Here also washing machines and beside dryers.
Big dryer.
This washing machine beside there is a dryer.
Show me that new machine. Let me see.
What? Yes.
What's your name, buddy?
Aditya. Aditya.
So on the way out of the Ghat, we just stopped and bought a snack, some samosa kind of things with some sauce. 20 rupees for two.
Really cheap.
Really cheap. So we just arrived after a hectic taxi ride to Chowpatty Beach.
Yes.
It's on the east of Mumbai.
And it's hot. He's getting this actual sun here, not just the...
Yeah, it's so hot, you're really open to the sun. Lots of locals swimming in the sea. Don't think we're going to bother today. I'm going to go and find some food.
There's a lot of rubbish on the beach. Sand's nice, but close to the sea is very rubbishy. I wouldn't want to be swimming in there personally.
I would. But yeah, we're going to go and find some food. There's some foodie places there. We're going to go and check them out.
We sat down in the shade for some food, and we've got some Singapore noodles. Give them a try.
बच्चा के जब दिखाया तो और बोलो इधर से पाइप निकलेगा तो बोला वो लोग को हटा पानी हटा 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 के बताओ उनको हटाने को कोई राजी नहीं है मंदिर में नहाने गया था ये मजा गया
So I've ordered some Singapore noodles, not very Indian or very Mumbai, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. So just what is the guy cooking? They look really fresh, really cooked well. And let's dig in. I'll try some noodles on their own first. Then we're going to spice it up a bit. Garlicky, very gingery. A little bit spicy on their own, to be fair. Spring onion in there, some coriander, carrot, a few spices, some soy. It's really good. I get a bit of chilli and the same. See what that does. That's good stuff. So spicy. Wow.
Those noodles were fantastic. They were really spicy, even without the sauce, which I couldn't think was too spicy for me. Really tasty, and they were 140 rupees, bargain. So that dish has fed two of us, and we're both pretty full now as well. So I'd say little and often is the key, and don't need to buy two of things.
So just arrived at the Haji Ali Mosque.
Very unsurprisingly, the tide is out, so we can actually walk along the causeway to get there.
Yeah, as far as I'm aware, you can only get across to it 2 times a day when the tide's out. So we're just coming from the Jain temple and the tide's out.
And it is so busy.
So we're going to have a look around and see what we can see.
It appears in India we are famous, mainly because we are white and a novelty.
That's not very fair. So just be walking through Haji Ali and everyone wants to take a selfie with us. Not just your selfie to make some rupees, just genuinely want to take a picture with us, which is really cool. Super excited about that. Going to go on a little food tour up the main street and onto Muhammad Ali Road. I'm not sure how much we're going to eat because we keep snacking on the way there.
I've already started.
Yeah, it looks like it's already started. Quite full anyway today, so we just stopped and got some onion barges and some chilies, a little package and some newspaper for 20 rupees. And this is what they look like.
They're nice and crispy on the outside. Perfect on the inside, nicely cooked. And those chilies are so spicy, it's unreal.
We came in earlier for some snacks. I don't want to again tonight, and thought we'd come back and have something more substantial.
Try and find curry and rice, I think.
Curry.
Maybe.
So we're going to go in again. This is the place. Forget what we call it.
It's called UP Restaurant and Eating House on Jangikar Street.
And it's just a little side street off of Muhammad Ali Road.
Yes.
So we're going to try it again, yeah?
Food's just come. We've got a chicken chicken collar puree, chicken curry basically, and some rotis. So let's try this. Oh, that's green. Quite coriandery, quite toasted taste again, like the dal that we've been having. Nice.
बोलेगा तो है नहीं बोलेगा बोला था नहीं खड़ा होकर